Surprisingly, again, it was pretty straightforward. I think, as I mentioned, when we looked at the other Getint connector product that we use for Zendesk, that was pretty seamless. That was pretty straightforward, and this was the basis why we decided to focus on using the same Getint marketplace product for Salesforce. And yeah, I mean it. I think we had the product after the the product or the app was installed. I think within a week or less than that, we already started to see certain fields were synchronizing between the two systems. Of course, we had to go back to the logs and see why other fields were not coming across in a certain way. As I mentioned, we thought we were referencing the correct field on the Jira side, but that's not the field. So, what's the other field? What's the other custom field that we need to reference? And then after making that change, or for that matter, if it was the other way around, Jira to Salesforce, it was the same thing. But once we got the parties on the Jira Service Management side and the Salesforce side together, understanding based on the requirements documentation that was initially proposed and then revised as we went through the iterative process to develop what is the final. This is the final MVP that we're going to do. These are the final fields that we need to have mapped. Once we got the two parties together, speaking to one another and coordinating, it became very, very so. Yes, no scripting. The UI almost exclusively at this stage. In fact, exclusively at this stage, and we can see based on what we've been able to put in place through this UI. We have what appears to be a working solution, although there's still some things that need to be worked out, but we have a working solution.